Hello, fellow travelers. Welcome back to our channel, Travel Tips and Tricks. Today we're taking you on a virtual journey to the Emerald Isle, Ireland, a land of lush greenery, ancient castles, and a culture steeped in rich history and warm hospitality. From the bustling streets of Dublin to the breathtaking Cliffs of Moher, Ireland promises an adventure like no other. So buckle up as we dive into the rich culture, breathtaking landscapes, and unique experiences Ireland has to offer. First off, let's prepare you for the Irish climate. Known for its beautiful green landscapes, Ireland's weather plays a significant role in maintaining this lush scenery. The winters are mild, with temperatures rarely dipping below freezing. Spring and autumn are pleasantly cool, perfect for strolling through the countryside. Summer is warm and inviting, with the occasional rainfall keeping the emerald landscapes thriving. And yes, you might encounter some unpredictable showers throughout the year. So remember to pack accordingly and embrace the Irish weather, as it's part of the charm. Now that you're equipped for the weather, it's time to explore the top 10 places in Ireland that you simply can't miss. Let's kick off our journey in Dublin, Ireland's vibrant capital. Dublin is a city that seamlessly blends history and modernity. From the majestic Dublin Castle to the lively Temple Bar district, there's something for everyone. Next, we travel to the breathtaking Cliffs of Moher. Standing over 700 feet tall, these cliffs offer an awe-inspiring view of the Atlantic Ocean that you won't soon forget. Our third stop is the charming city of Galway. Known as Ireland's cultural heart, Galway is famous for its vibrant lifestyle, colorful streets, and the annual Galway Arts Festival. Next, we head to the historic site of Newgrange, a prehistoric monument older than the Egyptian pyramids. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a testament to Ireland's rich past. Then it's off to the beautiful Dingle Peninsula. This stunning landscape offers picturesque views, charming villages, and the opportunity to spot Fungi, the famous Dingle dolphin. Let's not forget Killarney National Park, our sixth destination. This park is a paradise for nature lovers, boasting lush forests, tranquil lakes, and the majestic McGillycuddy's Reeks mountain range. Next, we visit the medieval city of Kilkenny. With its medieval streets, Kilkenny Castle, and St. Canice's Cathedral, it's like stepping back in time. Our eighth stop is the Giant's Causeway, an extraordinary natural wonder. This UNESCO World Heritage Site, with its unique hexagonal basalt columns, is steeped in myth and mystery. Then we venture to Blarney Castle, home of the legendary Blarney Stone. It's said that those who kiss the stone are granted the gift of eloquence. And finally, we end our tour in the serene Glendalough Valley, where you can explore ancient monastic sites and enjoy the tranquility of two pristine lakes. And there you have it, 10 fantastic destinations that truly embody the spirit and beauty of Ireland. We've taken you through the climate and the top 10 destinations, but that's just the tip of the iceberg. Ireland's allure is found not only in its destinations, but also in its vibrant culture, warm people, and delectable cuisines. Let's not forget about the festivals that fill the air with joy and the breathtaking landscapes that will leave you yearning for more. From the rugged cliffs of Moher to the historical streets of Dublin, there is a piece of Ireland waiting to captivate every traveler. So, why wait? Start planning your adventure today. And remember, this journey is not just about the destinations. It's about immersing yourself in the Irish experience. So embrace the culture, try the food, and let Ireland's magic envelop you. And if you've enjoyed this video, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your fellow travel enthusiasts. Thank you for joining us on this virtual journey, and we can't wait to hear about your real-life adventures in Ireland. Until next time, happy travels.